is selecting a XPath from a table, right? So one example we have seen is this. So today we will see few more examples. Like this. So let's say open clinic. And admin, then staff members. Okay, so this was the page wherein we have seen how to select the XPath from a particular row, right? So today we are going to see two more examples from which we are going to find the XPath and we are going to implement that as well, right? So yes, so I'll show you the first one. So next one is actually quite similar. So it is the stock.scriptinglogic.net. Okay, and here if you type admin and click on this and go to add customer, then click on view customer. So you will get the customer list like this, right? And here you have three different ways to select. So you can either select on the edit button, you can select on the delete button, or you can do the selection here, right? So this is the thing that we are supposed to do, right? So we will start doing the program, right? So till the time it is getting opened, I'll keep or I'll find the XPath of the particular things. Let's suppose I want to find the XPath of the row with Abhishek, right? So let's find this. So right click and inspect. Okay, so this is tr, so just like yesterday. So tr contains td having text is equal to Abhishek. Okay, so yes, I managed to select the Abhishek, the row with Abhishek. Now if you see double slash img, okay, so no images are not there. Okay, so let's just copy this and let's just try to find what we have, what let's say tag we have. So the tag is a here, actually a, and there is no text here, but its class name has something like edit, right? So we have seen contains kind of thing. So double slash a, and a, there are two a's, one and two, one for edit and one for delete. So a, whose a contains at the rate class edit. Okay, so in this way you can select the XPath of the edit. Okay, selecting the XPath from the table. So do the following operation, do the below operation. Okay, open url stock.scriptinglogic.net, then click on add customer, click on view customer, then select the edit option of a particular customer. Example, Abhishek. Okay, so this is one thing. Or also try delete, also try clicking on delete and checkbox options. Okay, so we will do this one by one. So let's open our project. Yes, the project is opened here. Now let's create a program here. Right click, it's a new Java class. Stock view customers. Public static void main. Okay, we might have the code up to this. So up to add a customer, we already have a code. Okay, so I'll copy that directly. So stock view customer. Okay, so up to the add customer, it is there. Now let's find the view customer XPath. Okay, so view customer XPath is this. So you can link, you can click here using by link text as well, right? So I can almost use the similar thing. So just right here view customer and view customer dot click, and the link here it will be view customer. Okay, let's just see whether it works or not, whether we reach up to the view customer or not. Yes, we reached up to the view customer. Now we want to click on this edit button, and for edit button we have, I think, already found the XPath here. Okay, so this one is for edit button. So I'll directly click on this. So driver dot to find element by dot XPath, and let's click on the edit button of Abhishek. Okay, so what we will do is we will generalize this XPath here. So let's say string customer name is equal to, let's put Abhishek here, so that next time if you want to change the customer, so you can change it in the variable only, right? So copy this variable here. Okay, so the Abhishek will be clicked here, right? So instead of this customer name, Abhishek will be taken. So right click and run. We reached here, but edit button of Abhishek is not clicked. Okay, dot click we haven't seen. I haven't say here dot click. Okay, so right click and run this once again. Okay, so Abhishek is edited here, right? So let's try the delete operation here, and for delete operation you have to just change this to delete. So its class contains the text delete, right? If you select here, if you write here delete, so the second XPath will be selected. Okay, so let's comment this line and paste it, and instead of edit we will write delete. So let's just see what happens when we run this program. Okay, so delete button is clicked and it says, are you wish to delete this entry, right? Now this is the uh, pop-up alert pop-up. I'll tell you how to handle this, right? So if you encounter this pop-up, let's say I want to click on cancel or I want to click on OK, or you can also read the text from it, right? So let me just teach you how to deal with this, um, what we can say, alert. This is actually alert, right? So let's suppose I want to click on the cancel button. So just see how I'm doing this. Okay, so alert is actually class from Selenium. Select alert, create an object. So alert, so this is a variable. You can do anything, take anything, and you have to write here driver dot switch to dot alert, right? So switch to is the method to switch from one window to another window. So the alert is actually another window rather than your browser. So I am telling the driver to switch to the alert. Okay, and here if you want to cancel the alert, so alert dot dismiss, right? So alert dot dismiss will cancel the alert. Alert dot get text will give me the text. Okay, so what I'll do is first I'll print the text of the alert, and then I will click on cancel, that is alert dot dismiss. Okay, so right click and run. Okay, so cancel is operation is happened, you see, and in the output you can see. So this is the text. Are you sure you wish to delete this entry, right? So this is how actually it works. And if you want to so this is actually for cancel the alert, and we have alert dot accept. Okay, so alert dot accept is for okay, click on okay. Okay, so now when I say alert dot accept, it should delete the customer's uh, record, right? It should delete the Abhishek, right? So now we have to just check whether that's the software is getting software deletes the given record or not, because there could be some bugs as well, but we will see. So yes, now the Abhishek is not here, right? So actually this deleted the Abhishek, right? So second entry was Abhishek earlier, so Abhishek is deleted, right? So we have done this uh, delete operation as well. Now we will try this checkbox, right? So to click on the checkbox, let's just see what XPath we can have, and see. So here the checkbox is actually input type text box. So double slash input, and there is only one input, so this much will be enough, right? So this will help you to click on the checkbox. Okay. So I'll comment this alert and all that along with this delete button, and this will be there for your reference later. Okay, so now what I'll do is I first copy this XPath and let's use this statement. Now instead of this I will use input. Now I know that this customer name Abhishek is deleted, so I may not be able to click on the Abhishek. I need to use some other username to click. Okay, so let's suppose Amol123, Amol Zagre 123. Okay, so I'll put this customer name here, and its checkbox should be clicked. Okay, so right click and run. You see the checkbox here is clicked. Okay, so in this way we have seen how to deal with the elements inside the table of a row, right? Inside a row of a table, right? So yes, are you clear up to this? Please confirm, are you clear up to this? Okay, so similarly we will have one more example here, right? So this is quite tougher one, not tough, just a different one, I'll say. So billing, I'll open this in this similar example, billing dot scriptinglogic.net. You have to log in into it. And click on customer and clients and view client. and here you will find the client list, and here you have to edit any client. So editing is not straightforward. You can see here there is option, and then you have to click on edit, right? You cannot directly click on edit. You have to first click on option, then edit. So this is the client name which is unique. Okay, you have to select this. Again, this is not straightforward. If you see the web element here, so this is not immediately inside the TD, so it is inside A only, right? If suppose I want to select the row of the client having this name A1QW Private Limited, so I cannot simply write like this, just like earlier, tr, so tr, and whose TD contains this text, right? So actually I'm not able to select this because the text is not sorry, here I should to write like this. So TD text is equal to this. Now I don't have text like this here, right? So this text is for the anchor text here, right? So TD has a child, TD has one child A, and that A is having the text this. Okay, so I have to write like this here. So TD slash A, then only I'll be able to select this. Yes, getting this. If you want to if you are supposed to select the email address here, so email address can be selected directly because that is just a normal text, right? So if you select by email ID, then it will be selected, but we don't want that. We will keep this way only. Okay, so the row is selected, and then we are supposed to click on this option. So first let's get the XPath of this option. Okay, so look at this. So again, this is A, and this is a button group. Okay, uh, drop down, data toggle equal to drop down. Okay, so double slash A, whose data dash toggle is equal to drop down data at the rate. Yes, there is only one. Okay, so this is the option button. Okay, I'll copy this. Let's write down the assignment. So this is first assignment, this is second assignment. Do the below operation. Open billing not scripting logic.net. Actually, say here do login, say do login, and here username is equal to Amol Uzagare at gmail.com. Password is admin123. Okay, username and password. Click on clients, click on view clients, and click on the edit option of the particular customer, for example this one. So we will write here a note. First we have to click on options, and then we click on edit link. Okay, so this is for this particular example. First we need to click on the options, and this is the XPath for options is this, right? So this is the XPath for option, and now we will find the XPath for edit button, edit link, that is, you can say. Okay, so I click here and let's try to find what we have for this edit. So this edit is under li. Okay, so li, if I try to find this li, so li, there are actually total 5 li, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So actually one way is to select the number, this is second number li, so you can directly write here 2. This actually works sometimes, and in this case it is working, right? So this is actually a valid XPath, right? So XPath, one way is to use this, right? You can use this, right, without any issue. Let's just try another way. Okay, so this li has I. Okay, so again you can click on this I as well. Again there are 5 I's, 6 I. Okay, so now this I actually has a class that contains edit. Text is equal to, so I contains @class edit. Okay, so it will be selecting the smaller icon over there, you can see this. Okay, so the icon there is selected. Okay, so this can be also taken, right? So this is the alternate way to select the edit, right? So either you can use this XPath or this XPath. Yes, clear up to this? Yes, please confirm. Okay, so now we will implement this from here. So let's say billing demo, billing demo. Okay, and it is almost similar code here, stock view customer, just like this. So I'll copy up to this, and we will just change the XPaths there. Billing demo, public static void main. Okay, so here the URL is billing.scriptinglogic.net. Username here is amoluzagare@gmail.com. Password here is admin123, and let's just see what we have here. Let me just log out this. For this we have name is equal to email, then I think here I use ID, so ID here is password. For button or button name is btn login. Okay, then we have add customer and view customer. So let's just see what we have there. Okay, so client, now you see this is not a link, so this is actually a span, so we have to get the XPath of this using span text is equal to clients. Okay, so using XPath, say clients. Okay, so we will say this is a clients. Okay, clients, and this is, let's say, view client view client, and for view client I think it is link. Yes, it is link, so I can get the link text. And let's say I'll call this as a client name. Okay, so client name here I'll choose this one. Okay, okay, fine. So now I have to click on option. So click on options. Okay, so driver dot find element by dot xpath, and xpath for option is this. Okay, and we will right here dot click. Let's just see whether it works or not up to this. Yes, up to options we managed to click. So now just check whether we managed to click on this edit button or not. Okay, so let's copy the XPath. We will try with the both XPaths. So here, copy this, and just instead of this we will use this XPath. And we will use client name here. Okay, okay, let's just see whether we manage to click on the edit button or not. Okay, yes, we managed to click on the edit button as well. Okay, so let's try with the another XPath. That is, instead of li2 we will use this I contents edit. Okay, uh, we will also keep this statement also in the comment. I'll just change the last one from the XPath. Yes, so right click and run. Okay, so using the second XPath as well, we managed to click on the edit button. Okay, so yes, are you getting up to this?